It's been great to work in partnership with ATL as such a forward-thinking company and had such a great desire to try and implement this fantastic product into their business, and hopefully there'll be many more to come.
The business was set up 65 years ago. We operate from Foston as our head office. We've got over 1 million square feet of warehousing, 80 trucks, 200 trailers. During the last 12-18 months, it's become more prevalent from customers to ask what the availability is for alternative fuels are. There's been a couple of applications that we felt that the electric truck would definitely be able to cater for. From the outset, Jack Hulse has been fantastic for our business. Took me out to Sweden. We had a look at the electric truck out there. I thought it was perfect for what we needed. We then came back to the UK and took our customers down to Millbrook, where again, we tried the trucks out and they did exactly what we expected them to do. The electric VOLVO truck that we've got, it doesn't compromise on weight or distance. It lived up to expectations.
Even the addition of these two new trucks have been a fantastic marketing tool for the business, and it's generated kind of wider interest from further clients now asking about what we can do for them and whether these electric trucks are on offer for them as well, which, subject to certain applications, we'll be delighted to present these to them.